Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. My name is Ajit Maudi, the founder and mentor at LoanPriceActionTrading.com. Let's take a look at what Nifty has been doing and is likely to do in the coming week. All right. On the monthly chart, if you see, as we discussed in our earlier videos, Nifty has been under selling pressure, and the selling is likely to continue till the monthly demand zone on Nifty, which starts at around 16,000. So that's the monthly demand zone. But here as well, you should be cautious about buying aggressively. Let the prices show us some strength to move towards the upside, and that's when you decide to buy. That's a picture of supply that has been formed on the monthly chart. So that's a range that we are seeing on the monthly chart. But however, if there is any untoward selling still that continues, we could see that this will probably even go down lower to this area of demand zone and then move out of that around 15,000. So 16,000 and 15,000 will be the two key levels for us to watch out. For Nifty, right now, we'll be more interested in looking at Nifty at around 16,000. So that's the range on the monthly chart. Though the long-term trend on the monthly is up, we have short-term bearishness that probably may last for some more time. On the weekly, we have a clear downtrend making lower highs and lower lows. That was the first area of supply zone on the weekly, which was more or less tested, and it started falling down. Here again, we have made some supply areas, but this week is not yet over. So we will be cautious about this area. For now, we will only take a look at this as the supply zone range. That's the monthly area of demand zone. That's the monthly area of demand zone. So this is the range. So this is the range that we have on the weekly chart from about 16,000 approximately 200 to let's say 17,700. That's a wide range for Nifty on the weekly chart. The lower levels here is where possibly Nifty could make a turnaround and probably try to hit 17,200. So bearish trend on the weekly. We are in a weekly demand zone, but this weekly demand zone may not offer enough buying power probably to take the index to new highs. So it will be range bound between, let's say, 17,700 and 16,000, or depending on what the global market cues are, it might still continue moving lower. That's what we have on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, if you see strong sell-off that happened and we formed new areas of supply zone here. That's the daily supply zone, which is where you can initiate some shorts. If Nifty turns from these areas, this is the area where it is likely to hit and probably turn down. So the upside is capped to about 17,000, let's say 190. 17,190 is where the upside will be. And on the daily, the demand zone that would be of interest will be around 16,350. So this is going to be the range on the daily chart. Clear downtrend. We may probably, if we start coming down, we may probably go a little bit deeper to this demand zone and then move out from here. So look for some confirmation to go long here. Once we get confirmation, we can go counter trend long for short term up to first target of, let's say, 16,840, and the second target will be 17,190 approximately. There are many demand zones here, but once this is broken, then probably we could see this being retested. That's 15,400, because this is where a lot of congestion has happened. It has been a breakout. Let the prices come down inside these demand zones, and then you think about going long based on some confirmation. So right now, the bearish trend, this is going to be the range for the next few days, about 16,200 to 17,400. Trading will be in this range for Nifty. On a smaller time frame, there's nothing than the daily chart. That's what we have on the smaller time frame, intraday time frame, 17,350, 387. And this supply will be your first target in case you get some confirmation to go long. That is where it will move up to on the intraday time frame. Avoid shorting now. Shorting should be done only at around 17,200. For intraday, you can look for pullbacks up till at least 16,800 on the long side. Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. My name is Ajit Mauli, the founder and mentor at LearnPriceActionTrading.com. Let's take a look at what Bank Nifty has been doing for the last week and is likely to do in the coming week till 26th December. Looking at the monthly chart, strong selling pressure on Bank Nifty after it hit an approximate high of about 41,900. These are very congested areas, so in all likelihood, Bank Nifty might drop down all the way to this monthly demand zone at about 31,600. It could turn from anywhere here as well, but right now the trend is strong towards the downside, so which could push prices further at least up to 32,500. Before which we should not think about going long still. The longs will be purely on confirmation. There is strong selling pressure that is coming in. This is an area of supply that has been created, though it's not very visible on the monthly chart. A clear structure on the monthly chart. You will have a lot of supply zones coming on the weekly and the daily chart. So that's the range between approximately 31,500 to 37,500 on the monthly chart for Bank Nifty based on the current price action. On the weekly chart, we found a new area of supply here. Once we broke this area of demand here, this drop base rally, and we also have this main supply. From there it started falling down, so those will be the two speed breakers for price to move to the upside. Bank Nifty as of now on the weekly is in this area of demand zone, which it probably might most likely go all the dip below this area on the weekly chart. Just below that, we have a very nice area of demand zone starting at around 33,000. So that's the area where we should look at initiating some long positions based on confirmation. This demand zone is a little riskier, so we need to wait for more confirmation. This is going to be the range for the time being. If this demand zone holds, we could probably move up again to 36,300 or 500, but a very narrow range on the Bank Nifty for the weekly chart. So this looks more likely for now a better area for us to go long on the weekly chart. On the weekly again, the trend has moved down. Taking a look at the daily chart, multiple areas of supply. This area of supply has been held on Bank Nifty. And as we drop down, we form new areas of supply. This is another area of supply, one more area of supply. So Bank Nifty has a lot of speed breakers on the daily chart to move ahead. From a demand perspective, that's the area of demand zone, which is what Bank Nifty hit today. Now this could push prices further up. First will be at the gap level at around 35,200, and if we go beyond this, then we are likely to head towards 36,400, from where you can initiate some swing short positions again for this. A beautiful area for buying on the daily chart on Bank Nifty is here, which is about 32,400 and also coincides near to the monthly demand zone. So that's those are the ranges for Bank Nifty as of now. On the daily chart, this is the range. And for weekly, it will be somewhere close to 38,500 to 31,500. Weaker trend as compared to Nifty. So be cautious. Don't get aggressive into this for buying. Please go through this disclaimer.